1. Choose a ripe pumpkin with a flat base. 2. Use a knife to carve a circular hole around the stem at the top of the pumpkin. Make sure to angle the cut slightly inward so that the lid does not fall inside when you replace it later. 3. Lift off the pumpkin's lid and clean the underside to create a flat surface. 4. Use a spoon to remove the seeds and flesh from the inside of the pumpkin. 5. Use a marker or pen to draw the spooky face directly onto the pumpkin's exterior. You can also use pins to outline the design by poking holes along the lines. 6. Carefully use a sharp knife to cut along the marked lines. Follow the design. Begin with the small details and work your way outward. Remember to cut away from yourself and be cautious. 7. After you've finished carving the face, clean up any remaining marker lines or loose bits of the pumpkin. 8. Illumination effect. Place a tea light or battery-operated LED candle inside the pumpkin. Replace the lid. 9. Set your carved pumpkin in a safe and visible spot to showcase your spooky creation. Make sure it's away from flammable materials and where it won't be a tripping hazard.